How to recover deleted photos from Android phone. First of all, check the Google Photos app. If your photos were backed up, go to Collections tab, then Bin. If they're still there and it's been less than 60 days, you can restore them easily. If you don't see them there, open the Gallery or File Manager app and look for a recently deleted or trash folder. Many Android phones keep deleted photos for up to 30 days. Then, if nothing shows up, try using a reliable data recovery app like Disk Digger from the Play Store. It can scan your device storage and recover recently deleted photos. Through it works best if your phone isn't heavily used after deletion. Finally, if your photos were on an SD card, remove it and use recovery software on a PC like Recoba or PhotoRec to scan the card and recover lost images. So this is how to recover deleted photos from Android phone.